Welcome back. Resale flat price growth could slow down with the building of yet-to-launch BTO projects in areas like Clementi. Market watchers also say such projects could also help to ease demand for resale public housing flats. Alexandra Anand reports.
Construction of hundreds of new build-to-order flats are in full swing, well ahead of the official sales launch. The projects are located in Clementi, Toa Payoh and Bukit Merah. Industry watchers say the move to build before order could help to allay concerns over supply shortages induced by the COVID-19 pandemic. That's especially as resale prices in some of these locations have hit the $1 million mark.
It gives assurance to buyers that there will be sufficient supply of homes in the future. And it also shows that the government is ready to release additional land for housing if necessary. And with more land supply, that will also mean that it can contribute to a slower pace of price growth in the long term.
Analysts believe these projects will likely be categorized as plus flats under the new public housing framework. Some 753 flats are being built at Clementi, near the town's central area and MRT station. This project is set to be completed by 2029. At Toa Payoh Rise, another 741 units will also be ready by then. The development is located near another upcoming project, a primary school, and 2 MRT stations. The project in Bukit Merah will have 498 units. It's right next to Alexandra Peaks, which is a prime flat slated for completion by 2029. It's unclear if these new projects will be categorized as shorter waiting time flats. Still, analysts say with the early construction, this could mean a much faster turnaround time.
In the past, HDB would build BTO projects ahead of the launch to provide these shorter waiting time flats. And usually these flats are located in the more suburban areas, further away from the city area. Right now, these 3 locations some of them are at the city fringe. Perhaps HDB is also trying out a new method of launching their BTO flats by providing flats, regardless of whether they are in the suburban areas or the city fringe, by providing them with shorter waiting time.
More than 2,800 shorter waiting time flats were launched this year alone. This is in line with the goal of rolling out between 2,000 and 3,000 of such flats per year, with waiting times of less than 3 years by 2025.